James Anderson has done it. He's bowled so consistently well outside off stump, and it just proves if you bowl a really good ball, you can get a really good player out.
So impressive, the late movement at the full length that draws the batsman into the stroke. That's the value of James Anderson. Ball must be LBW. Sachin must be out LBW. James Anderson, you beauty. What a great bit of bowling. Did Tendulkar for the length. It was much quicker than anything else he's bowled.
That's it. He's done it at last. He's found the perfect delivery. He's been looking for that for several overs. Anderson, having bowled a lot of balls across him, has set him up for the one coming back in. Saurav Ganguly plays all round that excellent delivery from Jimmy Anderson, and the 5th Indian wicket goes.
I just love the way that he's kept this in-swinger hidden for a long time.
Oh yes, what cricket by James Anderson. Really, this morning, he has looked world-class. You couldn't praise him high enough. He goes to his 50th Test match wicket, and he does so with some style.
Oh, that's out. That's out. Off the glove. Zahir Khan goes. 5 wickets for Anderson, and certainly he and Sidebottom, one of them, has deserved to go on the honours board at Lord's. Terrific stuff.
Yeah, he's got everything right. He's a cricketer who's been through the ringer a bit in the last few years. So much was thought of him when he emerged on the scene, particularly on this very ground, actually, against Zimbabwe. But this was the best of James Anderson. He's fit, he's strong, and he's learnt so much about bowling that now, when he gets it right, he's a handful for any batsman in the world. Not least this series of excellent players in the Indian lineup.